Here I am going to say about the concepting and building and idea and the create. The process of concepting and building involves generating the ideas, refining them into actionable concepts, and created tangible prototypes. Concepting and building is nothing but we can generate the ideas in startup awareness program, which we implement in the ideas to the business, which we enrich the student knowledge. It covers the systematic approach to ideation, concept development, storytelling, and rapid prototyping. Prototyping is nothing but we create a model as well as implemented in the startup. Generating ideas. Definition. Ideation is a creative process of generating a diverse set of ideas to address a problem or the opportunity. We can generate the ideas to solve the problem to innovative solutions. There are techniques brainstorming, mind mapping as well as scammer and SWOT analysis. Brainstorming is nothing but in IT sector a group activity where the participants freely suggest the new ideas without any judgment. Rules include the encouraging wild ideas, building on others' suggestion and aiming for quantity. Mind mapping is nothing but create a visual diagram starting with a central problem or theme, branching out to related ideas and sub ideas. Scammer is nothing but a structured technique to modify the existing ideas using a substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and as well as the reverse, which can adapt to the problem based on that idea. Otherwise, we can eliminate and reverse the ideas back to the original form. SWOT analysis evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat to spark the ideas for improvement or innovation. The key principles are the encourage the open-ended thinking and avoid the criticism during ideation. Involve the diverse perspectives to generate the unique ideas, document all the ideas for later evaluation. Example, for sustainable product design, challenge, brainstorming, mild yield ideas like biodegradable packaging, reusable the containers as well as the solar power devices. Bundling the ideas and creating the concepts, combining the selected ideas into a cohesive concept that addresses the problem comprehensively. Process nothing but synchronize ideas, identify the common themes or complementary aspects among the top ideas, create the concepts, develop a unified concepts by integrating eliminate elements of the top ideas. A concept is clear, actionable proposal that outlines a solution, purpose, features, and benefits. Refine the concepts. Ensure the concept is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. That is SMART. Address the potential challenges or gaps in the concept. And as well as the next one, document the concept. Write the precise description including the problem solution, target audience, and unique value proposition. Example, combining ideas for a health tracking app and an educational platform could result in a concept for a health education app which we can track the patient fitness metrics and provide the personalized health tips which you can improve in a health conscious. Stories and scenarios to support the concepts. Stories and scenarios are narrative tools that illustrate how the concept work in real world context, made it relatable and compelling. Components. Story, a narrative describing the user journey with the concept highlighting its benefit and emotional impact. Structure is nothing but introduction, how the user and as well as identify the problem. Conflict is nothing but challenges or limitation has to be faced. Resolution, how the concept solved, how the new innovative solution can be implemented in the particular problem. Example, for a health education app, a story might describe the busy professional who uses the app to track the diet, exercise, and learn about the stress management, improving the well-being. A scenario, a specific situation or use case showing the concept in action. Types best case, ideal use, worst case, potential challenges, and typical case scenarios. Example scenario, for the app, a user receives a notification to complete the short yoga session during a work break, and track the appear app wearable integration. Next, rapid prototyping. There is a process of It's a process of quickly creating tangible representation of a concept to test and refine it. Purpose: validate the ideas through user feedback, identify the design flaws earlier, iterate the quickly to improve the concepts. So these are the types of prototypes: um, low fidelity, high fidelity, and physical prototype, tangible models for physical products. Example: 3D printed models. Yes, thank you.